In the era of remote learning options, hardware education has remained difficult to perform without access to the right tools. But a partnership between SF Microelectronics, LabsLand, and DigiKey is bringing hardware education across the globe with its new online hardware learning service.
Underprivileged communities historically have difficulty in getting access to tools that may cost a lot of money. And so the ability for them to access professional-grade educational tools is paramount in the ability to build future engineers, future thinkers, and innovators for America.
We see that in many other fields, like there has been a process of also democratization of the education. People can share computer science courses and business courses, language courses, because they are all digital. Whereas in the ASEE field, in engineering education, the problem is that the hardware is not digital.
The goal of this partnership is basically to get hardware, to get everything from FPGAs to microcontrollers to electronic labs available to people around the world in an affordable manner.
With our technology, universities can use that equipment remotely, both in the classroom and outside the classroom. Professors can start teaching very fast because they can, without all the logistics of buying all the kits for their students in the classroom, they can actually already use laboratories which are located somewhere else in our network.
I believe if the students learn on professional tools, then they have better tools themselves to enter the workforce. Everything we do is based on the STM32, which is the access. Then we have the access point for development. It's a microcontroller based on ARM architecture. And then we have curriculum for IoT, machine learning, motor control systems. And what I'm showing here at ASEE are the platforms that we use for those curriculum. DigiKey has been a partner of us for the collaborations with university in a long time. All our educational content has been developed by professors for professors. LabsLand will take this to a step further where we can actually allow hands-on trainings also for remote areas or students that don't have the means of purchasing the kit or having the kits themselves.
We are providing access to a real laboratory. We have some STM32 kits that the students can remotely access. All they need is a web browser, so they can write the code and they can see remotely how the equipment behaves. We have equipment right now in 14 countries, and the students from many other countries are accessing that equipment without having to pay the cost of buying all that equipment.
I believe that our tools, both software and hardware, are very accessible, so it makes it very easy for students to do hands-on training.
All you need to do is to change one person. Have that one person have access to the right tools at the right time. It may inspire that person to become an electrical engineer, and the person may become an inventor and invent something great that has never been conceived before. Right now, we are on the cusp of making this available to that right person on the planet.